Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making rice and beans. Very delicious. This recipe would definitely melt in your mouth, so keep watching to see how I made this. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you, and let's get started. First is to cook and fry any fish of your choice, but trust me, mackerel is the best. I've already cooked and now I am frying the fish. I'm going to allow it to fry until golden brown. Once that is done, I will take it out of the oil and set aside. The next step is to fry my onions and pepper mix. This recipe goes well with fresh curry leaves, but if you can't lay your hand on fresh curry leaves, you can also use curry powder. I'm going to fry the onions and fresh curry leaves for about 3 minutes to release the fragrance. Don't forget your minced ginger. I added it alongside the chopped onions. Next, I'll add my pepper mix and season with seasoning cubes and salt to taste. You can also add any spices of your choice, but trust me, it is best to keep it simple. The fresh curry leaves got you covered, you guys. It gives it the authentic natural taste. I will stir well to combine and allow it to fry for a while. Once that is done, I will add my parboiled rice and cooked honey beans. You guys, this beans is 100% cooked and the rice is 80% cooked. So I'm going to stir well to combine and add my fish stock. Just add water to the level of what you have in the pot. I will cover with foil and allow it to cook on a low heat so that it doesn't burn. Also, this meal is best enjoyed soft and moist, meaning that the rice and beans will not be completely dry. Few minutes later, I check on the rice and give it a good stir. Next, I will transfer the fried fish back to the rice. I'm going to cover and allow it to steam cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Delicious. 5 minutes later, we are done cooking. Very soft and moist. Serve and enjoy. I hope you give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.